Hello, this video is about a super easy, embossed stretch knit with lots of beautiful texture details. The scheme consists of 2 loops and 2 rows. We start from the right side. Row 1 right side, we work with the loops in pairs. Purl the first loop. Slip the second without knitting. The thread is at the back. Pull up a loop from the bottom row between the 2 loops, enter with the left hook in both, the slipped and the pulled. Knit them together through the back. Repeat, purl 1, slip 1, pull up a loop, knit 2 together. Purl 1, slip 1, pull up a loop, knit 2 together. Continue to knit in this way until the end of the row. Row 2 wrong side. Knit the first loop from the bottom row, and purl the second one. Repeat, knit 1 from the bottom row, purl 1. Knit 1 from the bottom row, purl 1. Continue to knit in this way until the end of the row. I've given you this gorgeous stretchy knit. Any garment knit with it will look luxurious due to the texture's lovely features. I highly recommend it. I appreciate you all being here. Click the like button if you enjoy the video. To watch all of my videos, subscribe to the channel and notifications. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.